What's up, guys, and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you something I've been trying to figure out for so long. This is my 2006 BMW 530 XIT. It's the wagon, and if you have a level control error message, you know, the ride height with the air ride, these come factory with air ride, and then it pops up on the dash once you switch to coilovers, that you have a malfunction with your air ride system, level control system, whatever it's called. I just figured it out. You don't have to code it. You don't have to have any special tools. Watch. Let's see, let me get my key out here. Alright, got my key. Going to start the car. And then you can see all my lights go away. That's my parking sensors. But no level control message. And here's how I did that. It's been on this car since I got it. I just now figured it out. So, come back here to this pop fuse cover holder thing. Under this, you'll see these fuses here. Go to fuse 81. I don't know if you can see that right there, but it's fuse 81. It's a 7.5. Pull it out. That's it. That's the only thing that you have to do to get rid of that error message. That thing has been driving me insane because it covers the clock. It gives you like 2 warnings on the gauge cluster, and then it gives you another warning on the infotainment center or whatever it's called. But if this helped you out, let me know, and I'll see you next video. Make sure to like, subscribe, and share it, and check out all my other BMW content while you're at it. Thanks.